So, friends, continue with our quarter two results review. Today, we are going to talk about Angel One and PVR. Both the companies come up with the result. Angel Up was up almost 18%, okay, almost 3,200. The price reached. PVR has not given so much of pullback, but yes, Angel One is again. Let us talk in detail whether at this level what you have to do, because this stock has been held by most of the retail investors, and it has given a great result. If I'm talking about Angel One here, it has given a great return over the years. In last years, it is more than 25% CAGR return. So let us talk about Angel One in detail. When it listed at IPO, no one was no actually buying that stock. I do remember the stock was lying at a very very low level, but after that, no, it has literally gone up like anything. Okay, and Angel One is one of the darling stock when we talk about the broking businesses. If you see the quarterly results also, that has given a great result. The overall, if you see the year on year, there was a 57% bump up in the sales. Okay, even when we talk about the profitability was bump up almost 36%, quite a good profitability. Everyone was thinking that result may not be so good because the recent restriction what sebi has levied, but overall if you see, it has not impacted angel and so much, and that's why I think it was around 20 to 2300, and it is no, yesterday it is no gone up by almost 18%, and the reason was simple, that no, it was out of expectation that no, this type of result Angel One will give. Angel One is number no, in the top five. It is Angel One is there, top five brokers. Their main competitor is Zerodha and Grow, and they are doing very well overall. And but yes, in a listed company, Angel One, ICICI Direct, and no Semco and all that companies are there. Okay, but when we talk about their overall the profitability has been good over the years. Okay, the day it is listed, it is no actually it was a traditional broker earlier. Their research team was also there, but after that they converted into discount broking, and but after converting discount broking, this company has done extremely well. And no, the way they are bringing the products and everything, again, no, the way they are doing business is the franchising model is one of the best, and that is what is helping no Angel One to grow over the time. When we talk about the top five, this is one of a company of broker which has given a positive, you can say, growth. Okay, if you see the other brokers may have given a negative, but this one has given a much more positive growth over the time. Also, guys, their return ratio is quite high, no, almost more than 40 plus. Now, when you have this type of return ratio, it is bound to give you a good result. On the broking firm already added 3 million subscriber in the last quarter. Again, if you see that it has growth of almost 15.9 CAGR. Again, the overall customer is almost 27.5 million. That means around 2.75 crore investors are already assigned with Angel Broking. Angel One Broking, no, they've basically turnover they've gone up, but it is a marginal growth of almost 3.7%, not a big turnover growth. But no, in the profitability, it is gone up a lot because they're able to control the expenses also. Again, if you see the overall equity segment and all that, already they are having a 19.3 share. Now, this is quite a high share. Again, over the years, when we see the profitable and everything, no, the growth last year from 23 to 24, it is almost 42% growth. Okay, ROE ROC is around 44%, 38% is 44% ROE, 38% is around ROC. And when we compare with the other brokers, this company is going on a much more premium side. The reason it, of course, they have delivered the result, and over the time now they are actually one of the favorite among the millennials. Okay, millennials below the 30 years age, means that almost 80 to 90% client is coming from that age only, around 85. And this is what is helping no angel broking over the time. Also, young demographically, small cities where they have a very good franchising model. Like Zaroda is not having any franchise, you can directly buy. But when you have a franchising model, a robust franchising model, that is what helping angel booking currently. And it is currently, if you can say, no, that in small cities, rather than preferring Zerodha or Grow, people are preferring Angel because there is a franchisee available, and that is what the advantage they have. So when we talk about the big players among the franchisee models, no, they are doing extremely well. Okay, Even if you see when we compare with the other brokers like ICICI Direct and no Motilal also and all that, they are having the highest PE ratio. Okay, the Angel is almost 20.5, ICICI Securities around 13.8, Motilal around 17.7. In terms of growth also they are having the highest. Motila also is still a traditional broker, they have not gone into discount broking yet. ICICI Direct, ICICI Securities थोड़ा करते हैं थोड़ा नहीं करते, but no, Angel is now completely on the discount broking. They have a direct competition with the, you can say, the Zerodha and Grow. Now you may say, Tapan, but what about the recent regulation like true to value labor charges and all that? Okay, now true to value charges no is having an impact on the angel broking. So they are saying that they will have a every 10% hit on true to label charges. There'll be a hit of almost 4%. Okay, on the profitability. Again, every 10% hit in the number of orders also they are going to have it. Okay, also guys, if basically they increase the 2% that charges, no, they'll able to recover 10% of deficit whatever they are having. So in a way they are going to increase the charges what the BSE is going to apply like true to label. True to label kya hai ki basically broker was getting the benefit from the Bombay Stock Exchange NSE when they are having a high volume. So all these big brokers, the discount brokers and all that, they were having a high volume, and as a result, BSE was giving them like a kickback, okay, like a commission. Now that is gone away, and that is why this will have an impact on the angel broking businesses. But yes, the charges is not so means there is a hit, but they are going to increase the price, and that is what is going to help it. Okay, now when we talked about the last 1 year also, the stock price has gone up by almost 53%. But overall, if you see the why it has gone up so much, because in last few years, like 5 years CAGR sales is almost 41%, compounded profit growth is almost 70%. Okay, even though there so much of SEBI regulation is there that ये हो जाएगा वो हो जाएगा, FNO में बहुत restriction आ जाएगा. Again they have applied already some of the thing like no expiry which was be there every week. Now they are telling that they are not going to having at every week. No, only Nifty 50 will have a weekly expiry as NSE told. So usse impact to aega. But no, these are the broking houses. They are well aware of this situation. So they are expanding with all other products like wealth management. Even they are going towards the lending also. Okay, margin trading facility and lot many things they are doing in order to compensate whatever turnover loss they are having and profitability loss they are having. So in a way, this is how no these companies are managing their profitability overall. But yes, one has to keep in mind that always there will be a regulatory issues related to angel broking or any other broking firm you take. That you have to keep in. Of course, when you talk about the scope is very big, because next 15-20 years, if India is going to grow, this equity segment is going to grow, and all these five top brokers are going to mint money like anything. But yes, regulations will be there, lot many restriction will be there. It is just now how they are able to manage. Currently Angel is able to manage properly. But now you may say, Tapan, shall we buy this stock at 3200? I'll say wait for it, because no, of course it has gone up to 4200. Abhi kya hai ki abhi still you have to watch it. No, what are the regulatory issues and how it is going to impact. If next 6 months, 2-3 quarters, if angel broking is able to outperform the whatever the expectation is there, I think this may be a good buy. But currently this is what my saying there. Again, guys, please do your own analysis, then only do research. But this is how we also, when we do our research recommendations, we do like this, guys. If you are still not seen our research recommendation, the link is given below. Please click it and see our recommendation services. And also, guys, you can attend our webinar also. It's free of charge, where we'll give the complete detail. And do like and share this video, guys. Acha, by the way, now let me go for the PVR stock. But before that, guys, if you have any question related to any stock or sector, put it in the comment box. I'll try to take it. Okay, now let us talk about PVR. Now you know that PVR somehow it is not able to perform over the years. Okay, the reason is simple. No, I don't know, but somehow when we talk about the film industry, the actors get money, the directors get money, but cinema, sorry, but it is not able to earn so much. PVR has been there for so many years. Inox is there from so many years, but somehow they are not able to create any type of value. If we talk about no last 3 years return in stock price, it is -2%. So अगर आपने एफडी में डाला होता ना तो भी पैसे ज्यादा कमा लिए होते आपने. Even the compounded sales growth is there. Even the profit growth is also there. Profit growth last 3 years has gone up by 25%. Okay, this year it is -34, but even the sales growth is there. But when we talk about the stock prices, no, it has not given because market does not like uncertainty, and there's a lot of cyclicality in no cinema business because lot many depends on know how the films are doing. Like last quarter, the good thing was three was one of the highest grossing business and done by any Hindi film. Okay, even the Kalki has done well. Even I think Bad News and all that has done well. That has actually given a growth for Hindi cinema of almost 91%, and that is where no box office collection came. Even the regional and English also done quite well. But yes, some of the films has given a good revenue, but still this company is not able to mint that type of money. If you see the profitability, okay, that is almost 224 crores. Okay, and then when we talk about it is much more lesser. The total revenue is 16,221 crore rupees. Out of that, the ticket sales, I'm talking about the quarter two. Okay, and if you see the year on year growth, actually it is on the lower side only. Okay. Like last time it was almost 2074, now it is almost negative. So what if you see the ticket sales and all that, no, it is around, no, you can say 8,376 crore of ticket sales. F&B is 5,232 crores. Okay, and 103 crore is almost of advertisement. So you can say the F&B sales and ticket sales is almost the no, nearby only. Now that is when what you buy samosa, you buy whatever it is, okay, popcorn. You are getting at 250 rupees, 200 rupees, and that is where the big chunk is coming from F&B, food and beverages. For any cinema, ticket से ज्यादा वो लोग फूड एंड बेवरेजेस में कमा लेते हैं. टिकट तो है ही कॉस्ट, लेकिन ऑलमोस्ट एज आई टोल्ड यू almost 60-70% is when we compare with the ticket price, no, it is food and beverages. So but when we talk about the overall revenue, 33% is F&B beverages only. So food and beverages only is 33%. That is why it is no, it is one of the lucrative business and उसमें cost बहुत कम होती है. Okay, so over the years, if you see also now the company is not able to deliver the good result. Now it's a asset heavy model. You have to put cinema in front. You have their properties, prices, and all that. So you'll get benefit of depreciation and all that. But the main thing is if the revenue goes up over the time, this is where the company will start making much better profitability. That is where the EPS growth will come. So all the things depends on the how the movies are performing. Again, movies, the highest cinemas, if you talk about, no, it is in South India, almost 33% in South India. North India is 26%, and when we talk about West, it is 21%. Their locations, okay. And PVR Inox over the years, if you see here, no, the because it's a combined entity, no, it is given a return, but not so much that no investor will like it. Now, if you see the next few years, what may be the situation? Everything depends on the what type of movies are coming and how they are performing. If you talk about in 2019, the movies were much more than what it is there currently. Okay, and almost उसके वजह से now not so many movies are coming in the cinema. So, but yeah, expectation is that lot many Hollywood movies and Bollywood movies, big banner movies are coming into the second half, which will help. Like in Diwali only, Suryavanshi and I think Bulbulaya 3 is coming, which will help this type of PVR and Inox to earn more money. But yes, overall they are trying their best to increase the revenue. Of course they are putting their partnership model, even foco franchisee model. Okay, and their plan always is to add almost, you can say, no, 110 120 almost screens every year. Okay, now currently they are adding around 71 or something screens. So they want to increase it more, but depends on the what is the situation on it. Okay, so when we see this cinema business, why, even honestly, I was also quite bullish on PVR Inox when the merger happened, because of the you can say the monopoly thing and everything. No other cinema chain is as big as what these two are together. But the main thing is it's not making us earn money, and that is the problem which we have with no Inox and PVR. Unless it does not show you an EPS, unless it does not show you profitability in a consistent manner, doesn't make any sense in investment. Now OTT, now everyone is saying initially why this cinema business was not doing well. One was the COVID and one was the other factor was OTT. But OTT factor ऐसा इतना बड़ा भी नहीं है. People do go for that cinema experience, to have popcorn, samosa, and sit with their to check their favorite movie with the favorite movie stars and heroines and whatever it is, superstars. But yes, but the problem is that only in the crux I want to tell you that maybe directors, maybe actors are making money, but cinemas are not making money. And anyways, this is just to make you understand now how is the model of cinema. Of course, if you eat more food and samosa, vada pav, or yeah, popcorn zyada खाओगे, then these cinemas may earn more money. So if you want to make them earn more money, you have to eat all that. Anyways, jokes apart, but if you want to invest in this type of company, keep this in mind, guys. Again, do your own research before investing, guys. Hope you like this video. And I have no position in currently in any of these stocks, just to give you disclaimer. My clients may be having it. And guys, do like it and share it to video to everyone. I try to bring more and more quarter two result reviews, so that we will get understanding of it. So I'll see you soon next time, guys. And if you have any question, you can put it in the comments. See you then next time. Bye bye.